Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to use Snagit for video capture in 2025, and it will be a step-by-step video. Even if you are a complete beginner, whether you want to record tutorials, training videos, presentation, or just see something happening on your screen, Snagit makes it easy. Let's dive into the full walkthrough. So first you just need to go to the techsmith.com, then Snagit. Here you just need to remove that one and then hit enter, and here is the problem Snagit, and you will get this kind of interface, and you just need to click over here. This one is that free trial, and once you did, then you will get this through no credit card needed. You just need to download for the Windows. Like if you are using the Mac, then you will just need to choose it for the Mac. Then if you are ready, Snagit works on both Windows and Mac. After downloading, install the app by following the on-screen instruction. Once it installs, launch Snagit and you will see capture window. This is your command center. So now it will take a couple of minutes to download the Snagit X. So here you can see that start creating this Snagit. You can see Snagit tutorial. Go to the Snagit tutorials. It will redirect you to that page where you can see the trials or tutorials to learn Snagit using. So the process of using the Snagit is very simple. So here you can see it already been done, and I'm going to install it. The process of installing is really simple. As you can see how easy the process was. You just need to select I accept that, I have reviewed that one, then click to the install and then click yes, and then it will eventually starting their work. So here you can see it is preparing for the installations. So here if you see their feature, you will find out how amazing that was. Like if I come back that place into the Snagit, and here if I remove that download and just click Snagit, here you will see that the feature you can do screen recording, you can capture scrolling, you can create GIFs, you can simply do your UI, and let's click to the all feature, and then you will see you can take a screenshot, you can do screen recording, then you can do annotations, editing, file management, exporting, and collaboration. So all in one place. So here you can see that the installing Snagit Snagit is almost done. So I will come back when the installation is complete again. So here actually you can see install already been successfully done. So I'll click over here, continue. Once it's done, then here eventually you will see that Snagit already been installed in here. Let's search for Snagit, and you can see it, this Snagit is installed here, and I already opened this one, and you can see like you just need to click on sign in to access free trial or individual subscription if you have business interview separately. So I will click over here sign in. Once I did, then here it will give us to techsmith.com. So here I just need to wait a bit, then I will go with the continue with Google, and then I will select my Gmail address, and then similar process I just need to click on continue. Even once I did, then the sign process will be done, and it will take a couple of minutes, final account creations, and then click to the continue. So it is really simple. I hope you understand how easy the process was, and I already click over here and it will launch us in here waiting for sign in. So I'll click over here start for free trial, and here you just need to click over here to select one, create documentations, and which one, myself, and then just click to the save. And here no thanks, I will explore my own, and you can see it already been done. So I will click over here, open editor, just click this one, and the editor will be open in here. So now let's understand the capture interface. So the capture windows lets you choose what type of content of capture you want. It could be image capture, it could be video capture, or all in one. Lets you choose on the fly, so it's totally up to you. So here you can see that this one is the main interface. Then you just need to click to the video tab. Let's say I'm going to click on video tab. Once I did, then you will now see options for screen area selections. Like you can see, you can select the Windows or region. Like I will click over here Windows, then webcam toggle. You will have record webcam. You just need to be disable This one, if you not have any webcam, then microphone audio. So here you can see this is the microphone audio, it is enabled. Then you have system audio, so you can remove this one, system audio, if you want. Then make sure your mic and system audio are selected if you want to record your voice and internal sounds with this one. Now let's come to the record a video. You just need to click the capture button. Here is called volume, like this way, and here you can see it already been done. So you just need to enable this one, and it already been started. Here actually you can see that our microphone is working. I just need to select my microphone in here. Once I did, you can see it is working. Then click this one, and here you will understand all those necessary things. So now once it's done, here you just need to be start recording, and 3 2 1 recording will be started. So in this way you can start the recording. You can do the things that you can see it. So Snagit gives you 3-second countdown, and then it starts recording. Now do whatever you need on your screen, walk through a tutorial, narrate your process, or show a web page. What you want, you can do it. You can add this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 this way. So it's totally up to you. Once you feel that it already done, you just need to click over here to the pause, and you can see we already record 27 seconds. So now you just need to stop and review recording. When you're done, you just need to click to the stop. So this red one is the stop, this green like blue one is the stop one. You just need to click over here. Once you did, then it will come over here to the editing panel. So Snagit will automatically open the editor where you can review your video. From here you can trim unwanted parts using the trim tool. Just select the sections and cut it out when you cannot do full video editing like in Camtasia. But for quick cleanup, this built-in editor is perfect. Now you can add annotations or overlay. It is completely optional. Like while Snagit is primarily for screen capture, it also lets you add light enhancements. You can overlay callout arrows or text box for clarity, add cursor effects to highlight clicks, use the step tool to number steps in order visually. While these tools are more powerful for image capture, they can also be used to animate keyframes in video. Now here let's talk about save and share your video. So once your video looks good, you just need to go to the file. In here you just need to click this one, then find it out, save as option, just click this one, and from that place save it as mp4 file. Just click to the save. Snagit also gives you instant sharing option directly upload to YouTube, Dropbox or Google Drive, or copy the video to clipboard and paste it wherever you need. Snagit compress the file for web use, which makes sharing super fast. And before wrapping up, let's look at a few settings to improve your capture. You just need to go to the preference of Snagit. Here you will find out that one, and you just need to go to the editor preference. Once you did, then you just need to go over here to the capture and enable record system or audio. Choose your preferred microphone and webcam source. Under video settings, select frame rate and quality. Higher quality is equal to larger volume. You can also set hotkeys for quick capture like Ctrl+C+B to start your video instantly. So that's it. Now you have just learned how to record your screen using Snagit in 2025. Let's give you a quick tips. Use Snagit for quick explainer, walkthroughs and training. If you need advanced editing, export and video and import it into Camtasia. Keep editor videos short and focused. Snagit is based for under 10-minute clips. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more beginner friendly tech guides.